Speaking of making things easy and making things automatic, Gerald, any hope that we'd get a self-installing database anytime soon?
Uh, yes, so we actually, maybe not quite self-installing, but a very simple version of installing an Oracle database. So with 18c, we will actually also have an RPM-based installation for Linux, where you can get an Oracle database up and running with as simple as 2 commands. So you install the RPM that will give you the binaries, and then you have an init script that will essentially spin up a database for you. If you never happen to know, never touched an Oracle database before, or don't know all the different tuning parameters that we have, there's a lot of config parameters that you can decide during install. You now do no longer have to worry about those. You can execute those 2 commands and you will get an Oracle database set up to the best practices for general purposes, we think. And besides that, so it's the 2 command step there, installing the binaries, as well as then the script to set up a database in itself. That also means that even if you do have specific templates or specific, some people call it gold images for how an Oracle database should be provisioned, you can still take advantage from the RPM install itself, which will just, again, lay out the binaries for you. And then you can set up one or many databases, as always, as you've done before. So this will make it a lot easier, I think, especially in a cloud-friendly environment, but also obviously Linux-friendly environment, to just get going with Oracle database. I personally am very excited about that. I've been being the guinea pig for the RPM, so to speak. So I got the liberty or the opportunity to test it already since the last couple of weeks, and it will make the install a lot easier for people that don't necessarily know all the different config parameters or don't want to know. Just on a side note is that the Docker images, and we have covered Docker in the last one as well for a long time. So you can go back and listen to that recording if you like. But just on a side note, the Docker images have been very popular for exactly the same reason as well, to make it easy to spin up an Oracle database on your laptop or on your server somewhere. And we will continue to do so as well. So going forward, you will have Docker images for 18c and so forth. And no right or wrong there. So it's like, if you just have a bare metal Linux machine, you're welcome to install via the RPM. You're welcome to install like you've always done it. The zip files are not going away either. You're welcome to spin up Docker and containers as well. So all of that is up to you.
Awesome. I know I love my Docker image, thanks to you, Gerald. So that's how I like to do my development, but everybody's different and the environments they've got are always a little different. So
exactly. And it's all about choice, right? So there's no right or wrong. It's just what you want to do.